In this video, I will show you how you can create some pickups that you can pick them up, right? For level up and health. Let's see how we can do that. For doing that, we have some textures. Go to Content, Assets, Textures, and pick up textures. You can see it over here. Control A to select both of them. Right click on one of them. Go to Sprite Action. Apply Paper to the texture setting. After that, right click on one of them. Go to Sprite Action and create a sprite for them. Beautiful. I want to use this one for health. So I will call it Health Sprite. Right? Or whatever you want to call it. And this yellow one, I want to call it Level Up Sprite. That's it. Now we have two sprite that we can use it as pickup, right? Now for creating that, let's just go to Content, go to Blueprint, and in here I want to create a new folder and I want to call it Pickups. Inside this folder, I want to use parent-child as well, so it will be easier to add more pickups later. So in here, create a blueprint class of type of actor, and I want to call it BP pickup base, right? So every pickup will have a box collision, so we can pick it up, right? So search for box collision, right? Add it there, and we want to put it as default scene root. Next, it needs a sprite, so put a sprite there, paper sprite, and that's it. For the paper sprite, for default, I want to use one of the textures, for example, the health, right? Health sprite. And with that, I want to go from perspective to left, so it will be easier to change the size of the box. Now, for the box, we can change its size just like this, and that's it. Now, hit compile. We have a basic blueprint that we can create some pickup item from, right? So now, right click on this one, create child blueprint class, and this one, I want to call it BP Health. Okay, and after that, right click on the pickup base again, create child blueprint. This one, BP level up. That's it. For the health, everything is okay, but for the level up, we want to change the paper sprite, right? So in here, I will search for level up sprite, and it will put it there. If you go to left side, you can see it's working fine. Now for picking them up, actually how we can do that. There is lots of way we can just do it in pickup base. In here on event graph, we can click on the box, and in here we can create the on component begin overlap, and in here check if the actor that is colliding with this is BP player or not, right? If it is, we want to use a print string, right? And say item was picked up. And after saying that, we want to destroy it, right? So destroy actor, hit compile. Now, let's just put some of them in our level. Of course, let's just delete these ones so we can play with these pickups. For example, this is the health, put it there. We have level up, put it there. Now if you're on, you can see I can go and pick them up. Beautiful. Right now it won't do anything, it's just showing a print string. But no, I want to show you how you can pick up a health and use it, and pick up a level up and use it, how to use it. For doing that, I don't want to use the pickup base. I want to use the blueprint for them. For example, this BP health, we will do the health in here in event graph of that, and in level up, we will do the level up in the event graph of that. I just wanted to show you this way of doing stuff as well. So a base blueprint help us to create a structure, right? And in each child blueprint, we write some code. Let's see how we can do that in next video.